15 Shocking Facts You Don't Know About Marilyn Monroe. 1. Her birth name was Norma Jean Mortensen. 2. Her father was absent throughout her life. 3. Her grandmother was committed to a hospital for mental disturbances on August 4, 1927. Marilyn died 35 years later, plus 1 day, on August 5, 29. Fears of going mad like her grandmother and mother would haunt her throughout her life. She stuttered on occasion throughout her life. 5. She was sent to an orphanage when she was 9 years old. The reason she was sent to an orphanage was because her mother was hospitalized for mental issues. The issues were so debilitating for her mother that it caused her mother to spend most of the rest of her life inside some kind of mental institution. 6. Was married to her first husband, Jim Doherty, when she was only 16 years old. They would stay married for 4 years. 7. How the stage name Marilyn Monroe was created. The stage name, Marilyn Monroe, was created with the help of Ben Lyon, the head of new talent at Fox Studios. The name Marilyn was chosen because he said to her, "You are to me a Marilyn," which was based off a woman, Marilyn Miller, he knew who starred in musicals in New York. She then asked if she could use her grandmother's last name, Monroe. And that is how Marilyn Monroe came into being. 8. She had minor plastic surgery done. 9. She had a small nose job done in 1950, a surgery that left her nose lifted a notch, and some cartilage was placed in her jaw to make her chin line stronger. 9. She attempted suicide for the first time, known first attempt, after Johnny Hyde died in December 1950. Johnny Hyde was a super agent who she was seeing romantically and who was also her agent. She credited him throughout her life with building her career and jump-starting her path to fame. Hyde loved Marilyn so much that he wanted to marry her after he had a heart attack so that when he died she would be covered financially. She declined because she wasn't in love with him. 10. She was notorious for always being late. 11. Would often have her own special shooting schedule on many films. Once she became successful, her behavior became very erratic for when she would show up to work. She often would cause everyone else to wait around for her. The directors she worked with never knew when, or even if, she would show up, so they would shoot around her. One of the main reasons for her always being late was because of her emotional states. 12. She became pregnant when she was married to Arthur Miller, and lost the baby 6 weeks into the pregnancy because it was a tube pregnancy. 13. Attempted suicide again in the months after the lost pregnancy. Arthur Miller found her after she had taken too many barbiturates. He called a doctor, who promptly came and pumped out her stomach. It was stated that Miller would end up saving her from suicide 3 times. 14. She became pregnant with Miller's child again and lost that baby too. She was pregnant with that baby during the filming of Some Like It Hot. 15. Tony Curtis's famous line, "It was like kissing Hitler," was spoken because of how difficult it was working with Marilyn on Some Like It Hot. She would want to do 20 to 30 takes of the same scene, and it often caused her co-star's performance to suffer as a result.